Blackberry season is once again upon us here in the Pacific Northwest, which there's blackberries everywhere. But I have these in my yard that I've trained to grow along the fence, and I keep pruned. And I get at least 5 gallons of blackberries off of these every year. Now, it being blackberry season again means I have a problem. Namely that I haven't done anything with the blackberries from last year. My plan this year is to take those berries and turn them into a dessert wine. There's a lot of things you can do with blackberries, and I should be documenting this whole thing. I should have been. But I already juiced them. I have this really nice hand crank juicer that works really well for blackberries, and I forgot to record me doing that. Once you juice them, there's a whole lot of things you can do. And I'm going to try to document some of those things, because some people may not know just how easy it is to deal with it. Like blackberry pie. How do you make blackberry pie out of just blackberry juice? And stuff like that. But I'm going to start with, wow, there's a lot of berries need picked. I'm going to start with the wine, and maybe I'll show the blackberry pie. Because, the thing that sucks about blackberries are all the seeds. So if you can make blackberry pie that's seedless, so much the better. And I've probably mentioned in previous videos that I love free fruit. The only thing better than free fruit is free fruit somebody else picked. And here in Washington, you can have as many free freaking blackberries as you can possibly pick. And there's so many places you can pick them. You just got to deal with the thorn. Now, of course, when you juice them, you get about half the juice, maybe less. Half of it is juice. Most of a blackberry is seed, which is a problem, but not a big one. Like I said, here in Washington, you can pick as many blackberries as you can possibly have time to pick. Lately, getting that time to pick has been my biggest problem. That's why I usually do stuff with apples. Because apples, I get a lot more per minute of picking. But I am going to make blackberry dessert wine this year. And I'm going to take you along and show you how I do it. So, maybe some people are interested in that, maybe not. But I'm going to show you my method. So, follow me, like, subscribe, all that stuff. The algorithm stuff. And we'll see where I go with all this blackberry stuff.